Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. And yeah, we're getting down to it. It's just 3 boxes left, including this one. So wrist check, I'm still wearing my ocean crawler, my new ocean crawler from a few videos back. Really liking it, really liking it. And so yeah, let's just get right to it. I'm wondering what's in here. Actually, I already know. It looks a lot like another watch I already own, but it's not the same. That's my hint to you. You guys already know what's actually in here because you read the description of this video or you searched for this specific type of watch. Some people like them, some people hate them. They're unique looking, which is the reason why I like them. I like unique. The angle of this is a little weird because the box is so tall. Okay, that's unusual. Hold on. All right, cool. It's just a bunch of paper under the box. Just making sure there's nothing else in here. All right, nothing of importance. All right, so let's just change the angle and aha. What is this box? Where? Aha, there you are. Hold on. It's a wooden box. There we are. This is my second out of order watch. Damaged in Italy. For the original, click on the link. Okay. Doesn't it look similar to it? At least the bezel does. Wow, okay. Look at that, all rusty. Rusty, rusty, rusty. Well, let's try it on. Sorry, the rubber is very nice, but let's try on this other watch to see what it looks like on wrist. I'm very curious. It is an automatic. It's moving a little weird though. Right. I think I need to remove a link. Yeah, a link. One. Maybe two. Yeah, micro adjustments aren't very much, so yeah, 2 links. Look at that. Automatic out of order. Ah, the bezel's kind of tough. Wow. Oh, there it is. That's getting better. But it's tough. It's tougher than I expected. Okay. It's not been given the oiling it needs, I guess. So I'll try to keep it at the top there. Let's take it off wrist so we can do the loom check. Although I'm not holding on to much hope as to the loom. All right. All right. Oh, before we do that, let's see these. That's nice. I have another watch that has these already. My quartz blue. What is this? I'm wondering. Oh, more pins. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. What's this? Oh, the adjustment device. Yes, yes, yes. So these are the spring bars additional for this. That's pretty cool. All right, let's do a quick, see if there's any point of doing a loom check. Yeah, it looks like there's a little bit of a point. So let's do the loom check for real. Sorry, it's off screen for a bit. And off. All right. The hour indices. So you can see the 3 might not have it because there's a date at the top. See that there's, yeah, you got it at the 12, you got it at the 9, you got it at the 6. The hour markers, the minute marker, and the second marker is moving around. Sorry, this is not looking great. So the second marker is moving around. At the top and bottom of the second marker, you'll see the little dots. So yeah, it's a pretty nice watch. Let's look at the back. Stainless steel, water resistant. Let's turn this around here. It's got all the rusted look, out of order, damaged in Italy. Please treat me bad. All right. Don't think I'll treat it badly, but yeah. And you can read the inner parts. OOO, out of order. OOO, out of order throughout the entire inner part of the dial there. I don't know. I like it. The weirdness of it makes it interesting for me. But yeah, that's it for this unboxing, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Oh, out of order. Yeah, it's moving. It's moving. All right. Take care, everyone. Hope you're all enjoying your watches. And well, if it has scuffs, you'll never realize it. I gotta say. And I hope you're all doing well. Take care of yourselves. All right. Bye.